Made in China. Package height, 23.5 centimeters. Package length, 1.0 centimeters. Package width, 14.5 centimeters. Goodcook Cheesecloth 100% cotton, white. Top reviews from the United States. Even works as an exercise towel. I am not using these for the intended purpose, so I can't say how well they work as cooking cheesecloth. The weave is fairly tight and the sheets wash well. I've washed them once a week for about 2 months and they are still as good as new, maybe just a bit more wrinkled and softer. With all this said, I am using them as towels to hang around my neck when I do my daily treadmill exercise workout because I can't stand the thickness of other cotton towels and I just don't like the microfiber ones, and I wanted something that draped around my neck and fell somewhere around mid-sternum. I am 52. I cut the sheets longwise into 2 strips and then doubled each one over again. I hang them around my neck while I exercise. I look pretty different compared to the folks who like to dress up in name brand swag just to go exercise, but I definitely don't look like I've got a sheet of cheesecloth around my neck, just a thin white, yes, white, not natural or beige towel.